Brian Sheridan, first of all, Vice President Global for Adherence Clinicals in Smurfit Westrock. So Smurfit Westrock is a globalised company supporting a myriad of different enterprises in end markets such as food and beverage, pharmaceutical, healthcare. We operate a specialised division in adherence and health and clinicals. So adherence is regulated packaging, where we take a scientific approach to how to measure and monitor patient medication. So as people take their tablets and their pills, the clinical side is clinical packaging. And within that, we work with both sponsors, CDMOs and CROs. And more of late, the CROs are becoming more involved in the supply chain. Yesterday, I was fortunate to speak with Martina Moroli, who's Director Clinical Supply Innovation for MSD, who's actually based here in the Circle. And we talked about digital display labels. So digital display labels are a new innovative technology that replaces the legacy printed label. With IMP in, let's say, in clinical sites across the world, when they're pre-printed, the use-by date might have passed and the stability data is yet to be produced. Or it may be that a language variant is required, but because this is pre-printed sitting in a site, can't be used for that particular patient. A digital label can be remotely updated, and that enables that patient to get that medication quicker. So it's very innovative technology. It'll be transformational in terms of clinical trial supplies within the clinical trial arena. Interestingly for us in the supply chain arena that we're involved in, which is the secondary packaging primarily, we work with both clients, directly sponsors, but also the CDMO fraternity. With that, the phases are moving more towards CRO involvement, and at events like this DACH with the Arena DACH event in Zurich, our interaction with CROs are bringing more of those questions to the forefront. So earlier stage involvement in terms of understanding what the packaging may do in terms of supply chain, but also patient focus. So some of the projects we work on can take anywhere up to 5 or 6 years. And that trend we've noticed over the last 2 to 3 years has become more prominent, that the CRO involvement in our part of the supply chain is becoming more prominent. Very enjoyable, lovely arena to hold it in within the Hyatt, within Zurich. Very easy to get to, obviously. Walk out of the airport into a hotel and into the arena makes life an awful lot easier. As always at these events, it's always a lovely set of people to work with and to deal with. Very easy to have conversations, very easy to interact. Great sessions.